Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host for this episode of Mary Maxim monthly crochet kit unboxing, and it's actually an unbagging. Welcome to my co-host over here. She's totally bored. Rosie is sitting in the car with me. We are waiting on someone to get out of an appointment, and so we are just hanging out together, and I thought that I would come to you and let's do this unbagging together. I just picked it up at the post office today. Today is April the 6th, and this is the March bag, and so they always, for whatever reason, we always receive it at the first of the next month. So let's just take a look here. Okay, and this is our Mary Maxim Crochet Club of the Month. Just so you know, the cost of this is $16.99. I am not sponsored by Mary Maxim. I pay for this out of my own pocket. And so the cost of it is $16.99. The shipping is $4.99, and that brings the total to $21.99. So let's take a look at this. Oh, wow. This is interesting. Look at this. This is a reversible crossbody bag. And let me just, nope, I can't back up anymore. So let's see if I can do this. There we go. This is a, let's see, cotton fine weight, 2-weight yarn. And look at this. This is nice because this is just a pouch. It's not one of those big thick ones that came in the last two monthly orders, because this is just a nice thin lightweight yarn. And let's take a look at this. So I'm going to take out the pattern first. This is Mary Maxim reversible crossbody bag. Oh my goodness, and it says turn bag inside out for a totally new look. So there's two of them. Let me show you this one up close. That's very pretty. And then this one is the reverse. So let's just, I'm going to take a look inside. I'm not going to share any of the crochet secrets, but let's see. Oh, and it starts with a stitch guide on the front. Together, let's see. What is this? This is really thick paper too. On these patterns, I always think that there's an extra page that I'm not getting, because the page is very thick, which is something that I really can appreciate. So let's see, beginning linked double crochet. Interesting. So it tells you how to do two very interesting stitches. The one is called beginning linked double crochet, and the next stitch is a linked double crochet, and it shows how to do it. So that's interesting. Excuse me for yawning. Oh, I'm gonna show you this. So this is putting it together. It has some really nice color photos, and then so this is the size for a phone. So that's kind of nice. Nice little gift that you could make someone. And so now let's look at the yarn. All right, so in this yarn bag, excuse me for yawning, I have 3 blues and 3 grays. Let's take a look a little closer at each one. So this is Nova. It is mercerized cotton. Nova mercerized cotton. And let's take a look. We have 120 meters, 50 grams. There's 3 languages on here and none of them are in English. This is from the Netherlands. So this yarn is from the Netherlands. It's a 2-weight yarn. I am yawning. It doesn't even really say a color. We have obviously a gray and a blue. And so this is the monthly crochet club, Mary Maxim. This was for the month of March. Of course, we got it in April. We're always 1 month behind when we do our unboxing. So this one's interesting. I do like the look of this pattern. And so there we go. I think I like it. I like it a lot. So let's go through the last, let's see, we got a kitten last time, and that was in a really pretty pink color. I can't remember the one before. That's how great my memory is right now. One thing that I do like about these Mary Maxim bags is that it does, inside, it has a little pocket. So this little pocket is a place where you can actually, you know, stick your pattern. And so there you go. There's your pattern. And that way, you know, it doesn't get lost. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick little update. And this is the newest Mary Maxim crochet kit. And is it worth $21.99 for with the shipping and everything? I'm not sure this one is. But that's why we're doing it, to see. We're going to do 1 whole year of this Mary Maxim kit, and that way we get the whole gamut of the kits. From what I hear, last December they actually gave you a full-size book, so I'm looking forward to that. I hope that you have a great day. Stay safe, be kind, and get hooking, and much love to everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.